What got me really interested in human factors was my time in the Air Force. So my last tour in the Air Force was doing developmental missile firing. So I was working with a test and evaluation squadron, and I was working with test pilots, and we were working as quite a high performance team. But something that got me really fascinated was, sometimes as a team we'd still make some quite basic errors, and so it just got me really interested in human performance and then more widely human factors. So I think probably one of the biggest misconceptions is often people think of human factors as the factors of being a human and the psychological side of it, and sometimes the physical side and how that all interacts as part of the wider system get overlooked. So a proportion of it gets the main kind of point of focus, but actually some of the wider systemic issues get overlooked. Is one of the things I think.
These events are great because they really show the diversity of talents that we need in the industry to make the changes we need for today and for the future. And having events like this really bring out the opportunity for people to come along, find out what's going on, and hopefully break down some of the barriers and perceived conceptions of what it might be like.
Is just to try and maybe shift mindsets in terms of if people do have preconceptions, if they've done some human factors training, but even if they're more experienced in human factors, it's just having those conversations and opening all of our eyes, including my own, into new areas of human factors and things that we can explore with it.
So this totally aligns with our vision and mission, especially we've got such a changing world, and some of the goals around making sure we get more sustainable power as well as all the challenges of the current environment.